Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I ordered speaker online that I want us to unbox. This speaker is TOZO PA2 Bluetooth speaker with dual drivers and dual bass IPX8 waterproof. This speaker got 3 equalizer mode adjustable with TOZO app. The TOZO app allows for convenient and quick connection of TOZO PA2 speaker and support 3 equalizer adjustment mode, enabling users to freely switch between music style and enjoy ultimate music experience at any time. This speaker is with stereo sound quality and 3D pairing. The TOZO PA2 Bluetooth speaker is equipped with dual dynamic coil drivers for audio output, allowing not only a single speaker to support left and right channel audio playback, but also 2 speakers to be connected in series for simultaneous use, enhancing the sound quality of both left and right channels. This speaker is particularly suitable for outdoor and party. Professional graded waterproof protection, effectively withstand rain and splash during outdoor events, sports and traveling, making them ideal for camping, for beach and listening to music freely. 25 hours continuous playback on a single charge. The TOZO PA2 speaker with powerful battery capacity, allowing Bluetooth speaker to operate, create a better immersive listening atmosphere, support direct call via Bluetooth, voice conferencing, group chat, and access to device default voice assistants such as Siri to make call, allowing users to free their hands, enjoying the convenience of intelligent life. So basically, we're going to unbox this speaker, check it out, and see what is inside. Here we go. This is what we have here. TOZO PA2. So this speaker comes in black color, red, khaki. This is information pack. Black foam to cover it. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like. But a khaki color, and you have the strap and USB cable to charge this. This is C cable. So you connect it at the back at the C port, then connect this end, and this is the strap. I think the idea is for you to put this strap here, yeah, then bring it up so that you're able to carry it. That's exactly where the strap go. Then put this way, and for you to be able to carry it along. This is a small portable speaker. This button is the equalizer button. Plus is for you to increase the volume. The minus is for you to decrease the volume. This button is pause and play. So this button is Bluetooth pairing. So you switch this speaker on. Now it's looking for available Bluetooth device. So this is Bluetooth pairing. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings and switch Bluetooth on. Bluetooth is on. Then select add a device. Select Bluetooth. It's now searching for available Bluetooth device. TOZO PA2 audio. Then select and it's connected. Once it's connected, you will hear the noise to show you that it's connected. Then you select done. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. This is pause. If you press it again, it will start. So this is the equalizer. If you want to control the equalizer, you need to download TOZO app on your mobile phone so that you can see the equalizer for you to select particular one. But if you are controlling it from here, it will go from standard to bass and treble. So these are the options you have. But if you connect it using your mobile phone, so you have a lot of options. This speaker is rugged. It comes in black color, khaki, and red. Very portable for outdoor events and activities. Now in terms of the volume, I intentionally lowered this volume. It's currently in 24 decibel volume. So you have several equalizer options when you connect this speaker using your mobile device. But equalizer here, if you are selecting the equalizer, we only give you 3 options. Once you select the equalizer, it gives you treble, bass plus, and standard. So only 3 equalizer options when you select it from here. But if you connect it using TOZO app, you have several equalizer zones for you to select. I'm happy with this speaker. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.